Just finished uploading my videos to Amazon for the day. So now I'm going to go to the Cha-Ching Automate. Okay, the Cha-Ching Automate. So we're going to go to Settings. We're going to check by number of pages. We're going to start on page 1. And we're only going to do the 1 page. Okay. All right. So page 1, 1 page. They're going to go by number of pages to my saving. Okay. Now all we got to do is run it. And it's going to run in the background, and I can do other things if I want to. It's going to open up YouTube. It's going to open up Amazon. It's going to copy all the stuff. It's going to go to the Amazon listing. It's going to scrape the title and the description from the Amazon listing. It's going to SEO and upload it to YouTube. The thumbnail, if you have one, it's going to upload that. It's going to do this all in the background. Okay, while you can be doing something else, you could be shopping, you can be researching and for buying products and whatnot, or doing the new selected products, PPC deal and posting that to social media. So it's just going to keep going. It's going to go to Post Tap. I forgot to mention Post Tap. So Post Tap is the deep link that it uses. That Cha-Ching Automate uses the Post Tap, and it'll automatically deep link to whatever. So it automatically opens your deep link. It automatically opens Amazon. There's no second step involved where they have to open their account. It's going to open their account right away, and now if you use Post Tap. You don't have to use Post Tap. You can use, there's another one in there. I forget what it was, a popular one, but I forget the name. And you can use that one as well. And it's in there. And Chris has got that going for you. So I'm using the free one. Post Tap is free for the time being. And these are all the videos that I just uploaded to Amazon. And it's always been a pain, okay? So, you upload, you do bulk videos. Maybe you do 10, 15, 20 at a time, right? And then you upload them all to Amazon. It's not too hard to do. You get, quick title, quick thumbnail, and posting the link, posting the Amazon, the apparent ASIN or whatever, and you're done with Amazon. You can upload 10 videos rather quickly. Then you try to upload them to YouTube, and then by the time you get the title, the description, get the link, get the thumbnail, do the whole SEO thing. Each video takes 10, 15 minutes to do. And next thing you know, 10 videos is taking you hours to do. And that's where I was always falling behind on my YouTube uploads. But since I got Cha-Ching Automate, and I've been able to go back through my catalog, I've got over 2,000 videos. And so each page, every day I run like 4 pages, 5 pages, upload 100 videos a day. And I've been going through my whole catalog. It's been working out really well. And it's also been helping the YouTube channel getting a lot of traffic, and it's really good. And there you go. So, I'm not sure about the offsite links. I'm not good at tracking stuff, and tracking just went to shit. So I'm not really sure how to figure that out. But offsite, onsite is pretty simple. But yeah, so we'll have to see what goes on in the next couple of months if my offsite takes off. We're on the road to Platinum Creator. And we're using Pinterest and YouTube to get there. And so, follow, like, and subscribe. Get the post. Get the Cha-Ching Automate for your YouTube channel. If you're an Amazon influencer, you should have the Cha-Ching Automate. Very reasonably priced. It'll be down there for you, and that's affiliate link, of course. Yeah, we're affiliate marketers. We should be expecting an affiliate link, right? Yeah, and so it's going through all my videos, all my Amazon videos, and it's gonna, like I said, get all the SEO optimization stuff, get the title from the product page, get the description from the product page, get the Post Tap link, storing all of this stuff, and then it's going to upload it all to YouTube. What's great is while this is going on, you could be doing any number of things. You could be searching for products. You could be doing, like I said, the selected products. You could be doing videos while this is going on. You can go in and video, do more product videos. You can start messing around with your other social medias, start working on Pinterest. I've been working on Pinterest. Like and subscribe to the channel if you're interested in the Pinterest journey. Pinterest is a long game. Pinterest is a search engine. It's not a social media. People get confused. They think it's a social media. It's not a social media. It is a search engine like Google, like YouTube. Okay. But it's a long game. It takes about 2 months for a video to get indexed if you're a new account. 2 weeks if you're a seasoned account. But before it even gets indexed, okay? So before they even know what's going on with it, and the life of of a post of a pin is 13 and a half months, over a year. Okay, and some of these things go 4 or 5 years if they're evergreen, forever and ever and ever. Now it's downloading my videos, and then it's going to upload them to Amazon. You can see that right there. Yeah, so Pinterest is a long game, so you're going to want to strap in and follow the journey. I've been doing it for about 2 months, and all the analytics is trending up, which is always good to see. Outbound clicks are trending up. I still have it's there's a lot of moving parts, and there's a lot of variables, and maybe you have a blog, maybe you don't, and maybe just posting your Amazon links. Your links to Amazon. Video uploaded, successfully published. Okay, next video, moving to the next video, cleaning up the files, it's doing all that good stuff in the background while we speak, while I'm doing anything else. I can be drinking coffee here, you know. Da-da-da-da-da. Okay, so far it's been about 6 minutes. So now it's on video 3 of 9. Okay, it's video 3 of 9. Yeah, but the one good thing about Pinterest, okay, so Pinterest is forcing me to look at blog that I used to have way back when I was experimenting. This channel was all about experimenting on side hustles, and one of them was blogging. And blogging is very good if you want to do it every day, but I was doing too many things to keep up with the blog. But if you're going to drive traffic anyway to somewhere, right? And Pinterest likes you to drive it to a blog rather than direct linking to Amazon. If you do product reviews and make them into blog posts and send them to the blog post from Pinterest or YouTube even, right? And you send them to the blog post, you're driving traffic. Now, some people are driving, tens of thousands of views to their blog post from Pinterest alone. And you could, do AdSense or whatever, other ads. There's better ads than AdSense, but I'm only approved for AdSense right now. But you could put that on your blog and start earning passive income from the traffic that you're sending to the blog. Anyway, so you're sending the traffic to Amazon. So now you're sending them to the blog. They're getting value on the blog, and then they're going to click the link to go to Amazon, right? And the way I got it going is I'm doing the blog of comparison videos or instructional videos, and then instructional posts, or it's posts, not videos, and then I place the link for the idea lists. See, we're already up to 6. This is the 6th video of 9, and they're downloading the video, so it's going pretty quickly, right? Now on page 1 of my Amazon, it scanned it, realized that out of the 25 videos there was only 9 new ones, and went through and only scraped those 9. So I'm not uploading repetitive videos and getting flagged for repeat content, duplicate content. All right, so we're already up to 7, right? So you're going to want to check out my journey on Pinterest. I'm getting ready to start doing my analytics. I want to wait 3 months and then do a 3-month thing, a 90-day thing, and then go on there and then report again in 6 months and see where it's going. But right now, the first 3 months, everything's going up, 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 up. And it's looking really good. And like I said, it takes 2 months to get videos. Videos. I keep saying videos. 2 months to get pins indexed. So it takes a long time, but they last a long time. Once you get it to a seasoned account, it can go down to 2 weeks to get indexed, but it still takes some time to get indexed. Right, so it's not a instant gratification. It's not like Instagram, but the upside to that is Instagram is gone in a day. Your stories are gone in a day. You're free, all that kind of stuff. And TikToks are gone in 20 minutes, and but the pins will be there for 13 and a half months. So that's what's good about Pinterest. And YouTube's a search engine too. You got to have your YouTube channel. You got to be building your YouTube channel, and Cha-Ching Automate is the best way I see to build to get your content onto your YouTube channel, right? And if you want, we're up to 9 already. We're getting to the 9th. So if you want to know how what kind of content I'm posting to Pinterest, and if I'm posting videos, I'm doing a lot of good things and a lot of good experiments. And like I said, I'm getting ready to go live with a lot of the results. So subscribe and follow and all of that happy horse crap. All right, so we're at 96 videos uploaded, successfully published 9 videos. and it's going to be the end of that. Okay, 9 videos uploaded, all done. View run summary if you want, but it's all done. Now I can go to the YouTube channel. Let me see if I go to my YouTube channel. It might take me a minute to sign in. As you can see, it uploaded all those videos, right? Today's the 15th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 on the 15th. All the product videos there on the, and so there you go. Boom. All with the titles, all with the links are in there too. Buy it here, and let's click on one to take a look. Boom. Right, so you buy it here, and there's the affiliate links. There's affiliate links. Got about the channel. It's got all this stuff in there, and you can create these templates. So you can have it say whatever you want. All right, I'm going to leave it there. That's what it is. Very easy. Cha-ching, automate. The link will be in there. Get it. Again, this affiliate link. So yeah, check that out.